Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make golden shrimp. Heat a skillet until shimmering and add oil to reach about 1 centimeter depth. Coat each shrimp in the flour mix, then in egg wash, then back in flour for a double crisp. Work in batches to avoid crowding and keep oil temperature steady. Drain on a wire rack and serve immediately with a tangy dipping sauce. Start by testing oil heat with a small breadcrumb. It should sizzle and brown in seconds. Gently lower shrimp into the oil using tongs to prevent splatter and maintain a single layer. Flip once when the edges turn golden to ensure even cooking. Remove shrimp to a rack so steam doesn't soften the crust while keeping the interior juicy and tender for a perfect bite each time. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy and last through kitchen chaos. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After frying, toss shrimp lightly with lemon zest and flaky salt to enhance brightness. Prepare a quick sauce by mixing mayo with lemon juice, a touch of honey, and chili flakes for balance. Plate the shrimp on warm plates to preserve crispness and add a small ramekin of sauce alongside. Offer wedges of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh herbs so guests can customize each bite to their taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.